What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Fairy Tale. We're on episode 52 now, and last episode nothing much happened. Lucy's dad went bankrupt, and he wanted to join a merchant guild, and they were in trouble. So Lucy rushed to help him. Turns out he wasn't even there yet, so it was very anticlimactic. And also we got introduced to a new villain. Looks like he has snakes wrapped around him. Looks like Orochimaru with all the snakes. But yeah, I don't think it was a filler episode, but I don't think anything happened besides that Lucy's dad is poor now. And so let's say what episode 52 is about. Aibo Kimimo Kewara. Oh. Huh? That's what we're going. It's the intro. This part I'm gonna cut out. I'm gonna do my reaction like this. Look.
Coming right up.
A what, Parfait?
Can I get some service too, miss?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Why is she a waitress?
Wait, what am I doing?
Exactly.
Lucy,
Yeah, what?
you're working a job for crying out loud.
Everyone's a waitress now?
Waiting tables qualifying as legitimate wizard work? And why do I have to wear this horrible outfit?
Not my idea.
I mean, I know
Or is this part of their mission?
Uniform, but still.
Whatever.
That's a weird mission.
Island uses magic to cook all of his tasty dishes. So he thought it'd be kind of cool if the waitstaff were magic users as well.
Hey, Lucy, we agreed to take this job for you, remember?
I mean, you can't eat the people's food.
Eating the customer's food.
Exactly.
Doing trays is okay?
Lighten up. Uniforms aren't all that bad if you ask me.
I like that they're always in a group together, like wherever they're going somewhere or
Forget
doing
we're
something.
Doing this to pay your rent.
Yeah, I know.
That's cool. Look there.
He's just wearing a bow tie. Is that Urza?
I know you once.
One of the strongest freaking wizard in the whole guild is a waitress now.
Yeah, we'll have just give us. Yes, we'll take one of everything.
Well, now that's the spirit. I am truly grateful.
Our pleasure, ma'am.
That's one way to do it, I guess.
Seems to work pretty well.
Ah, yes, the thrill of a new challenge.
How's this a challenge?
Allied forces, assemble!
Top-notch job today, kids. Gotta say, I am most pleasantly surprised by all your hard work.
Did he eat all the customers' food?
Anytime.
Thank you. We've learned much from this experience.
And what was that? You love clothes?
Now I know how tired Mira must be.
Oh, it's him.
And how stuffed her belly
Isn't
must
he
be.
on one of the council?
She serves the food instead of eating it all.
Well, that's her loss.
And your weight gain.
If I may ask you, sir, what is the state of the Magic Council these days?
He is. So he owns the
I stopped
freaking
there
restaurant?
some time ago.
He's a chef?
Magic Council?
What the heck's gotten into you two? Did you dunces forget Mr. Yajima was a member?
What's a member?
Or wait, was his name Zalal?
You mean Jalal?
Zalong.
After he and that other interloper, Ultir, threw everything into disarray, I parted ways with the organization.
Oh, he quit.
I'm not usually one for gossip, but there have
He
been
powerful?
rumors going around lately that a plan to re-establish the Magic Council is in the works. Our ignorance and misguided actions caused you a great deal of trouble. I am truly sorry.
It's
What
fine.
happened to July
They
anyways?
say you stood your ground in opposition to firing the Etherion right until the very end. Your conviction is admirable.
Politics just isn't my thing.
He should come and join Fairy Tale. Be a cook for Fairy Tale.
By the way, you boys listen very carefully. Now, I expect this new council to be quite different. I will no longer be there. I took a lax attitude toward Fairy Tale's hijinks. Do you understand? Don't test their patience with your careless destruction.
No, we promise we won't, sir.
Say hello to Maki for me, will you?
Maki.
huh?
We certainly will, sir. And thanks again for the work.
Is this still in the fairy tale town?
Ultir. Who knows where she may be hiding?
In the clouds.
This ominous airship belongs to the Dark Guild, Grimoire Heart.
Their guild is in the clouds?
Horation says. They're making their move.
And this woman is the former council member in question, Ultir. It turns out she was actually
That's
a member
Ultir?
of the
She looks different.
aforementioned Dark Guild all along.
So, Master Hades, how
Oh,
shall we
Hades.
respond?
That's a cool name.
We shall allow them to do as they please for now. Surely those on
Look at his throne. Holy crap.
And in the confusion that will ensue
What is
from their
that?
clash, we will
Like a
take
huge
every
skeleton.
way to locate the remaining keys to Seraph's seal. And if fortune should truly smile on us,
Is Seraph,
some of our
like,
rivals may be eliminated in the process
dead?
as well.
Or like they trying to resurrect
Such as
him or
fairy tale, perhaps?
summon him? He looks very ominous.
It's a chart listing out the dark
A
guild.
flying dark guild.
She had me draw it up for her.
A troubling sight. There are
That's
far
all the
more
dark
than-
guilds.
What brought this
If they
on?
know these guilds exist, why don't they go like,
Possibly more
why don't the
active
good guilds go take them out?
That means we need to strengthen relationships with our fellow guilds. Oh,
What's the big circle in the middle supposed to be?
I know exactly what it is. It's the Barum Alliance of Dark Guilds. The three major players in that alliance are Horation Sace, Tartaros, and Grimoire Heart. All powerful in their own right, but combined they're the strongest force in the shadowy guild
They're
underworld.
like gangs.
Each controls lesser guilds that carry out the dirty work they don't wish to do themselves.
Oh,
There is one on this
are we gonna
chart
make an
that
alliance
is
now with the good guilds?
Raventail.
Oh, man. I recognize the name Eisenwald.
I'm sure. That's the guild Aragorn belonged to.
I don't think they
So
exist
Eisenwald
anymore.
was actually just a kind of sub-guild that worked under this Horation Sace?
I've seen a lot of these names before.
I think some of them even used to be legit.
Like that one
there
has
was
an X
one
to it.
more, Ghoul's
Is that the one they
that
destroyed?
Wonder Legion took out.
Yeah?
Most of the guilds that Gajil and I destroyed when the two of us were members of Phantom Lord were under Horation Sace. Except for Fairy Tale, of course, but we're all great.
I'm pretty sure they can each take out like a whole guild.
If I
Or what, at least one of the sub guilds.
Hey, you guys. Do you think they'll take it out on us?
Oh, relax. Don't worry your pretty little head about them. From what I hear, they've only got 6 members in the guild anyway.
6
Yeah, they sound
members?
like small potatoes, if you ask me.
I mean, unless they're all strong, I don't think how many.
Wizards make up one of the most
members
powerful
matter.
guilds out there.
Speaking of the Horation Sace, word has come down. We must destroy them.
Oh, why? Just throws that out there. It's like, oh yeah, one of the strongest dark guilds, we gotta destroy him.
I'm sure.
But Master, what do you mean by that?
Horation Sace's recent activity was the focus of much discussion. at
Ooh, the
conference.
music.
They pose an urgent threat that can no longer be ignored.
He's got his cape on. Does that mean he's gonna go out into battle too?
We will take them down before they can harm any of our fellow guilds we are sworn to protect.
And we gotta do all the heavy lifting, right? Typical.
Yeah.
Raventail will be taking
Take him out, that's what I mean.
This enemy is far more powerful than any other we have faced before. To fight them alone would
Something's gonna happen to him again that
Our
puts him
attack will
out.
surely incur the wrath of
He's
the
always
entire
passed
Barum
out before a
Alliance in
fight
no
starts.
time. Which is why Fairy
Oh.
Magical guilds. A coalition. Fairy Tale. Blue Pegasus. Lamia Scale.
Who's the green one?
Shelter.
Or the yellow one? Have we seen
Guilds will
these?
select members
I think
to
Blue
represent
Pegasus
them in their
is
lives. Together we will work to bring
the
down
one with the guy with the
But we can
wings,
handle it
right?
ourselves, Gramps. In fact, I could probably even do it alone.
Don't be a fool. The master is wise to consider the long-term consequences.
Whoa! Just hold on a second, you guys. We're only talking about 6 people, aren't we? I mean, are they seriously all that scary?
I mean, better to take precautions.
I can hear it.
There they are.
That sweet sound of light crashing to the ground.
Don't jump to conclusions so
Just has a
quickly,
pet snake wrapped around him all the time.
Though, speed can be a wonderful thing.
Racer, the magic we see
Racer?
is right under our noses. I'm sure of it.
That ancient and hidden magic with the power to turn light into complete and total darkness. Oh yeah!
Nirvana.
He's asleep. Freaking Aladdin.
A legendary power. One that will soon be ours. Are you sure we should put all our bets on Nirvana? It sounds too good to be true. Look there. The darkness that spreads through the trees means Nirvana is close at hand.
Nirvana?
The forest is beginning to die.
What's the point of a dark guild? Like,
I know I've said this before, but I've got a really bad feeling about this mission.
do they each have a goal or like?
Not all that strong.
What's the point of them?
Help you guys anyway.
Look, this ain't no picnic for me either. So quit pounding, would ya?
We're here for one reason. Because
Make him
Master
walk.
has faith in us, so let's not disappoint him.
I know. You're right, but Gashil and Juvia are better fighters. They can't go because Master sent the 2 of them on another mission.
I don't care. I just wanna get.
Put a spell on him.
It just seems like we're always picked for this stuff.
You should consider it an honor. And today will be our first joint operation involving the other allied guilds. It's important that we all focus our efforts on starting to build a positive.
Come on, Lucy.
There it is! The rendezvous spot!
Is this the other guild?
Great, another creepy old mansion.
It's the second home of Blue Pegasus' master, Bob.
His second home. How many homes does this guy have?
Jog your memory a bit.
Yeah, Bob.
Master
That's
is
his
a
name.
skilled wizard and also a man.
He makes me feel funny.
Gray, be nice. Master Bob may be a little eccentric, but he does deserve our utmost respect.
Yeah,
I want to see him fight. What magic does he use?
There, guys.
Okay, we're there.
Yes, they're here at last. At last. Hey, 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 hey. Hello. Hello, Barry.
It's a boy band.
We are the Blue Pegasus Elite Crew.
Why did they look like?
100 Nights Hibiki. Holy Night Eve. Still Nights Ren.
They're all knights?
The Trimans from Blue Pegasus? Wow, that is so cool. Those guys are like the hottest wizards of
Those guys, I feel totally underdressed.
You're not even dressed.
They are not on the list.
I've heard tales of your beauty, and they're true.
Are they all talk or are they actually strong?
It's a pleasure to meet you, Miss Titania.
Mr. Tanya? What?
Please, come with
Oh, I think I heard that wrong. Miss Titania.
Would you like to freshen up? Or maybe something to eat?
No.
Ow. You're almost too cute.
I am?
No joke. What is the deal with these
What is going on?
I missed something. Who are
Are they even
It's
fighters?
a pleasure to meet a future ally. I look forward to working together.
You're so beautiful. It's almost unreal. Is this a dream? You ladies must be exhausted. Feel free to spend the night. We don't mind.
Man, they put on like a whole show.
Give these ladies some breathing room.
Whoa, that voice! It's silky smooth!
Yes, Ichiya, sir.
Him? Oh dear.
It's been far too long, Miss Garnet.
A long time, yes.
Does she know him?
I never expected to see you here.
Oh, how I've missed you.
Oh god.
But don't cry.
What? What is going on?
A surprise. A surprise. A reunion. A reunion. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
We didn't know she was your girlfriend, Mr. Ichiya.
His girlfriend?
You know that is not true!
What?
We have work to do! Right, boss? Right, boss?
What is going on?
That's the third thing they've called him. They're a bunch of mixed nuts.
It seems that destiny has brought us together. Miss Urza, Miss Lucy, you two not so much.
He's like, I don't care about you two.
Sniff, sniff. Sweet parfum.
Oh
Parfum is
man.
just a fancy way of saying scent.
Parfum.
Yeah, me too. I'd never choose to be in his company. However, he is a gifted wizard.
Listen up, you Blue Pegasus playboy wannabes. You'd be wise to keep.
Fight! Well, count me in!
Everybody needs to calm
That's
down.
all I need. That's all you need to hear to wake him up.
Your sweet parfum, it still drives me crazy. Oh.
Far away from me! Nice right hook!
Man!
Oh, who's that?
You dare to greet us with this flying
Oh, it's him.
Lady of Scale deserves more respect.
He's back.
Insist
I
on
forgot his name.
This man is Leon Buster.
Leon.
He and Gray share a long history.
He's good now, right?
Both trained under the same master.
He sure did. What guild did he join? What the hell? What is going on?
What is wrong with you?
I feel like they're secretly like super strong and they're just putting on a show.
Watch it. That's our leader you're messing with, pal.
How dare you?
You and your
So each guild sent 4 people?
go home.
I suppose that means women can stay and fight? Marionette attack.
The hell?
What did I do?
What is...
Hold on. I recognize
They're not even getting along. How are they gonna form an alliance?
She is a comrade of Leon's.
Oh.
And is also madly in love with him.
Well, she looks totally different. Without her freaking hair.
Hadn't forgotten who I am. But please, do try to forget who I was, okay?
Wait, what guild did they join? They're all good now?
By the power of love.
More! I must breathe in more of your
This guy.
parfum.
Let's go, Leo.
Oh,
Pleasure.
everyone's gonna fight.
I could never love you.
Well, the
Let's see which guild is stronger.
Enough!
Ah, he ruined it.
To work together as a group to destroy the Arachion Sace.
Who's this?
This is not the time for us to fight among ourselves.
Yes, Jura. That's Jura?
Who?
So that's really him. Lamia Scale's top man, Iron Rock Jura.
Who?
Ooh, they're strongest.
Tin Wizard Saint.
Yeah, which means he's kind of a big deal.
So 4 from Fairy Tale and 4 from Blue Pegasus? Huh, funny, our guild
Is there
only
another
gets to
guild?
send 3 members.
Oh man!
Oh, they only got 3 members.
It seems we have representatives from 3 guilds. The members from Kate Shelter have yet to arrive.
Yes, and about that guild, they're only sending one.
Just 1 member?
1 member.
That's insane. We're supposed to be up against a
Who is it?
group here.
One? If that's true, how crazy intense is this guy gonna be?
I think that's her. Watch her be like freaking stronger than our S rank combined.
Here so late. I've come from the Kate Shelter Guild. My name's Wendy.
Cape Shelter?
Nice to meet all of you. She's a kid?
A little girl?
Hey, don't underestimate her. She has like freaking wings on her heels. Alright, so we got introduced to a bunch of characters this episode. Mostly from the other guilds. I can't remember which guild they're all from. But they all seem interesting. I don't know if well, I don't know how strong they are yet, but I feel like they're all putting on just like a show like, hey, I'm goofy and this and that, but I'm really strong. But I wonder if they're stronger than any of our S-class wizards. I know the only person that's there that's or in an S-class is Urza right now. But yeah, and the little girl that came in at the end, I wonder why they saved her last. Maybe because she's the only person from her guild that came. But she came in, tripped, and fell on her face. I feel like that's classic anime for I'm really strong, but I'm gonna act weak in front of everyone else. I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but I can't remember any of their names yet or anything like that. But yeah, I wonder how they're all gonna work together because they already don't seem to get along, and I don't really know what the goal is here. Just form an alliance and call it good, or are they all gonna go out and search the Dark Guild and destroy them? Yeah. Also, we have a lot of members just to take out 6 people. How strong are these guys? And I wonder why none of the guild masters are there from any of the guild. Like, who's gonna take lead on this and like be a leader at this group? But yeah, that's it for episode 52. So if you guys enjoyed the reaction, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.